Hello, y'all. It's me. It's the N.D.T show. And you know what time it is? Folks, it is time to give you a garden update. Let's walk around. Let's take a picture of what's left. The garden is about gone, folks. Fall is going to set in soon. Around the corner, winter will be here. Let's take a peek. Let's see what's left. You want to? We have beans, folks. Beans, and more beans. Now, the debate is where we pick them today and pull them up, or do we not pick them today and pull them up? Because the problem is, there are beans in here, but they're still blooming. But the beans that are in here, look, all kinds. It's going to rain next week. And it's going to rain all week next week. It's giving rain. Will these beans rot? They may rot, so we may pick them. A lot of bees are still pollinating these things. You hear them? We have a few black peppers still left on this vine. Few black peppers. I'm gonna pick some of those today. And we got our squash that's still left here. It's about to die out though. It's got a few on there still yet. Bees are still pollinating it though. And we got this. See, as you can see, folks, look, the cucumbers is gone. All the cucumbers is gone. Nothing left, but look at this. Look at that pepper there. Nothing but pepper, beans, and a few squash left here, folks. You see, nothing but the ground. All the maters is also gone. The maters is also gone. We got a couple zucchini and squash here too, still left. Nothing major, nothing coming on them. They're just like here, you know. And we got this cayenne now, look here. The cayenne's finally coming on like crazy, look here. Look at that. Nice cayenne. Of course, the banana pepper, as you see in my past videos, has always been doing good this year. The whole time. It's hanging in wads again. Gonna have to pick that also. And the sweet banana. I mean, it's not sweet banana. There's sweet bell pepper. Look at that. Nice one right there. Look at this one. Definitely ready to pick. I'll get that here after a while too. Definitely will pick that one. Turning red. There's a nice one right there. Look here. They're hanging in wads now. Sweet bell pepper coming on strong. All the maters is gone from up here as well. Their cayenne here is doing okay too. And of course, the watermelon, folks. Look here. We got one, two. Over there's one, two. That's two. Over there's one. That's three. That's three. That's four. A few, a lot. That's right. That's five. There's six. There's seven. There's eight. Scary watermelons. There's a couple, or nine. I'm gonna say there's one right there. That's nine. That's nine. And that's 10. Yeah, that count. There's 11. One right there. 11. 11. Little bitty one right there. That make 12. 12. That's 13. And nowhere is 14. So there's 14 watermelons of what I can see. And I'm sure there's plenty of little ones in there that I cannot see. And we picked 12 maybe that's been rotted already off this throughout this year. Maybe 12 that has rotted and gone. But there it is, a big watermelon patch out. It's covering the yard up. We may pick the biggest one today because I think it is ripe. And that's the one right over yonder. It's huge, but can't see it from here, but we'll get her probably here after a while. Not much left, like I said. We have peppers, a couple of squash, a lot of beans, and quite a few watermelons. That's all, folks. That's all that's left.
I don't know. It ain't in the sun.
It's in the morning sun, Ruth. Right here.
I don't care. Which one is it? This one?
Yeah.
Claims that this one's ripe. I don't know, bull.
That ain't the end.
That ain't the end of it. The end of it's over here. Oh, it ain't got no, it's green.
Did you see the tussle?
Tussle. Tussle. It's brown. Yeah, it's right there. The tussle. Right there is the tinsel tussle. What do you want to call it there? It's brown as gold. You sure?
Brown is a gourd. A gourd is green.
Gourd is green and brown is brown.
My brown is a gourd.
Yeah.
Gourd is a green.
Gourd is green.
Until they get ripe, then they turn brown.
I'm going to pick it.
Yeah, might as well.
All right, there it went. Yeah, I'll get out. There she is. She's picked. There. Nope, I don't think she's ripe. I don't know.
There she is. She's picked. Nope, I don't think she's right. I don't know.
Right, right.
Don't get my toes.
I get the toast.
Pretty heavy, ain't it?
Now,
Yeah, it's heavy. That means it's not
Be
ripe.
still. Here it goes.
When it's heavy like that, it means it's all wet inside.
I bet it's right. What do you
It's
think?
beautiful, son.
I
It
bet
ain't
it's
ripe one
I
bit.
bet it's right.
No, I bet it ain't.
I bet it ain't. I ain't gonna let you look.
I see green.
I green as gourd.
No, it popped.
No, it popped a little bit. I don't like the way it sounds.
No.
I do. It's right.
No, it ain't.
I'll cut it.
I'm trying.
Uh-oh, I hear something coming over. Oh, it's a little red. I don't know. Little pinkage.
Yeah, it's stuck together. Ain't it?
It's stuck together. Need a bigger knife.
Now, you know what my watermelon knife is.
No.
I always have my watermelon knife in there. Now, you've been watching that from?
There it
That's
is.
right, babe.
Did he pick it up?
Mmm.
On the film. I know
That's
it was. I needed some anchor making.
Good.
Stringy.
Yeah, good.
It's good.
Got good taste.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, good taste.
Yeah, that's good watermelon. Let me have one.
Mmm.
That's
They
right.
had beans here before last fall when that rain set in. God, now we thought we weren't gonna never get more. Boy, it was been around.
I have to leave them other two for the short road. They ain't. Really. They just getting that old hawk.
Beans, beans, beans. Get the winter crop in. She'll bring you some tomatoes tomorrow, brother.
Nah.
Hurt when they do. I went ahead and worked at them plenty of times, didn't you, Dale?
Yeah.
They don't sting hard.
It is a pack saddle.
Send that to the, you know.
It is a nice one. Look at that.
Yeah, all I need is grow back.
Yep.
Been big long. And I let them grow. See what they do, but you have to watch them. They keep, you want to keep going up with them. You don't want all the juice go to.
You don't get much.
I got some big ones down here, boy. I got some big long ones. I don't know how many I picked. The mother just died out, and it was making this pepper die out, them tomatoes and shit. Them longest is everything.
Yeah, that's long one there. That ain't cricket neck, it's something else.
That ain't.
That ain't
That
good.
letting is in there. Is one. I can cricket.
Thanks y'all for watching that exciting episode of the N.D.T. Show. We'll catch you on the next one.